Please stop!
Boss is losing it again. Only that damn dog can calm her down. Somebody's gonna die. Where the hell is that dog?
Boss, please. No, boss.
Natalie's back home!
Thank God, Milo.
Mr. Wall, ever since Boss's husband died, any type of stress can trigger her violent freakouts. We're moving back here. I mean, this neighborhood's rough. Are you sure Boss is cool then?
She's the boss. Nobody's crazy enough to mess with her. And with her beloved dog around, it'll keep her calm.
Wait.
No one here would be crazy enough to mess with Boss's dog, Milo.
Right?
Mom?
Missed the garbage truck again.
Go leave a little welcome package at that new neighbor's house. What the hell?
Why are you banging at my door?
Just so you know, your son dumped trash in front of my door and peed on my porch.
How do you know it was my son? I mean, did you see him do it? Do you have proof?
As a matter of fact, I do. What do you think you're doing?
What footage? I don't see any footage. Even if it was my son, he's a kid. It's what they do. So take a chill pill.
How dare you?
Listen, lady, this is a nice neighborhood. If you want to live here, you follow our rules.
Listen, my son's in there studying for a big test. Keep it down out here, or I'll call the cops.
Not that stupid neighbor again?
Yeah. She had the nerve to come over here and bother us.
Forget about her. I just got initiated in the Silver Blade. The whole neighborhood is now our turf. We can do whatever we want.
Hey! Turn off your music. Well, it's 1 a.m.
I'm sorry. This is my house? I can play it as loud as I want. What's it to you, Grandma?
Don't you know who the Dixons are? You can't tell them what to do. Are you out of your mind?
Besides, it was just some trash. And you had to go and snitch on me? Listen, tomorrow morning, I'll show you what a real dump looks like. Oh. Come on, guys. Keep the party going.
Let's go!
I said, turn off your music!
I'm sorry. Hey, it's going.
Guys, don't tell.
Hey.
Stay in control. I promised Richard. I can't kill anyone.
Crazy bitch! You really thought I'd listen to you? Fuck off already! I bet you're jerking off to my hit playlist as we speak. Hey, wanna come join us, Grandma?
She probably can't even dance. Come out. I'll show you some moves.
Calm down. Calm down. Please calm down.
I'm at that fucking window. It's loving it too.
To hop on! Pull me harder!
You like that, babe? Hear that, Kayla?
You filthy animals! Get out of my yard!
Oh, babe, what a bummer. I heard your husband died 10 years ago, Granny. Did you bore him to death?
Oh, man. You have that thing for your ugly cougar? Gross!
Her husband died a decade ago. You might need a ton of lube, man.
It's okay, guys. I'll be the big man here.
Huh? You!
Oh! Oh! Had a sleepy night. We out!
Kill him. Kill him. Kill him. Kill him. Milo.
Oh!
Thanks for waking me up.
What the hell do you want now?
Why is my yard trashed?
Why are you asking me?
It's your yard. You better get a hold of your disrespectful son.
Or what? Are you threatening us?
What? Am I gonna do it? What? Oh, shit! Someone broke your pot. You know what I'm saying?
Where's the silver plate now? So be grateful you even have a yard.
It's okay, Milo. You have a dog? You cannot have this mutt next to our house. Why not? Milo is legally registered with the city. So what? He could have rabies. He could attack my son. So if you're not getting rid of him,
Heard that? Get that dog out of here.
Mom?
leave my Milo alone!
What are you doing?
I need to get out of here before I do something I'll regret. Come on, Milo. Let's go home. Stay in control. I can't kill anyone. I promised Richard. I must live a normal life.
Your burger is on the doorstep.
Where's my burger?
So good.
They wouldn't do that. They're just really crossing the line. That woman had the nerve to yell at my mic over some stupid mutt. Serves her right that we took her food.
Slow down, son. No one's taking it from you. It's all yours.
Our Mike has got brains. I mean, he spotted that delivery right away. Free burgers taste the best. Seriously? Haven't you had enough? Your son stole my burger delivery. Why else would I be here? Stop yelling out lies. Have you ever seen my son steal anything from you?
Exactly. We're decent people. Why would we steal from you?
You are all liars. What's going on? This must have been you. This must have been you. What did you put in those burgers? Are you trying to kill my son? I thought you said that your son didn't touch the burger. Well, they were just sitting out there, so he took them. Big deal. And now he's sick because of your stupid food. You have to take responsibility. Pay up. Pay up.
I can't breathe. I think I should put pickles in.
Oh, no. Good luck with that. Oh, Mike.
Oh, Milo. Milo, honey. Oh, Milo, I'm gonna go get food, okay? You stay home and be good? Yeah?
That bitch keeps picking fights with us. Now she puts pickles in her burger. Could have died.
Don't worry, son. We're out with the Silver Blade now. She won't get away with this.
That's right. She's gonna pay.
She ran off.
She should be scared. I'm not letting her off that easy.
What the hell?
Stupid mother hers.
Mom? Dad? What if that thing bites me?
Stay, stupid dog. You're not biting any of us. Loyal little devil, ain't he?
That dog is a threat. Since our crazy neighbor is so obsessed with it, maybe we should just put an end to it. Once and for all.
Hell yeah.
Let's kill the damn dog.
Go for it. Can't wait to see that skink crying her eyes out.
Oh, hold on. Our family account has not been updated in a while, and this is brilliant live streaming material.
Oh my God, guys. You will not believe what we've just been through. This vicious dog right here has already bitten so many people this week. My son, he's one of the victims. This dog is a huge threat to the whole neighborhood. It is a mad dog, and we just caught it. And for the safety of everyone, we decided to put it down right here and right now. That way, no one will fear this dangerous dog anymore, and everyone can go about their day in peace. Hallelujah!
Let's see. What should we do with this crazy dog?
Milo? Milo?
This dog is almost done for. Now let's finish it off for good.
No!
As you can see, this dog won't be hurting anyone anymore. The neighborhood's safe again. I'm gonna kill him.
Viral, guys.
Milo, where's my Milo?
Too late. Your dog is dead.
Milo's dead.
Should have kept that dog on a leash. We're gonna teach it a lesson. The whole live stream was cheering us on.
You looking for your dog? Here you go.
You killed Milo.
Oh, it got what it deserved. You gonna hit me? Kill me? Ha!
That's right. What are you gonna do now, huh? Kill us all? Go to hell. Oh my God, she's actually gonna kill us! Please!
What are you doing? Are you crazy? I'll call my mom.
Oh, you stupid bitch. Leave my family alone or I'll...
She's gonna kill him. She's really gonna kill Dad.
Stop it! Stop it! Your dog is alive!
You expect me to believe you monsters? Go to hell.